Join me for this guided awareness meditation. This sequence generates feelings of connectedness with yourself and with others. Let's begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes or allow your gaze to soften and fall down the natural line of your nose. Begin to listen to the sound of your breath as it moves in and out. No need to control anything. Just bring your awareness to the breath and feel the sensations as it moves in and out. Now bring your awareness to your environment. Feel into the space you inhabit. Feel the air on your skin, your clothing where it touches your skin, the weight of it, the texture. Feel the surface you sit upon, how it supports and presses against you. Breathe here in this space. Now bring your awareness to your body. Where are you holding tension? Let's release it now. Release your scalp and your face muscles. Feel your tongue and your eyes melting downwards. Release everything in your neck, your shoulders. Your arms become heavy. Let go of your chest and your upper back. Feel your abdomen muscles release and melt downwards. Let go of your lower back muscles, your pelvis, and your buttocks. Release your hips. Feel your thighs as they grow heavy, melting downwards. Relax your calves and your feet and feel the last of your tension dripping out of your toes. Feel yourself relaxed in the space you occupy, present in this moment. Hold these sensations of the outer as we move to the inner. The inner body can feel like a buzzing, a vibration, a warmth. Feel into that now, starting in your core, your abdomen. Feel the sensation lower into your pelvis and buttocks. Let it feel up your thighs, inside your calves, down into your feet. The sensation rises from your core up into your chest, your heart center, up into your shoulders, spilling over into your arms and down into your fingers, rising up to your neck and up into your head, your whole inner body alive and vibrant, connected, holding the sensations of the inner and the outer. Breathe here in this relaxed state of connectedness for as long as you'd like. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.